How to send end-to-end encrypted messages in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send the end-to-end encrypted messages in your Facebook Messenger, then what you need to do is first open up your Messenger application and navigate to a chat. So I'll be choosing this chat. Once you've chosen, now if you want to send the end-to-end encrypted messages in your Facebook Messenger, then go with the profile of that person, which is on the upper side. Scroll down, and here you will have an option of go to secret conversation. But if you don't have that secret conversation option, then you can simply go with disappearing messages, which is under your privacy and support. So go with disappearing messages, and then you can simply choose 24 hours and go back, and now you can simply send something and it will be disappeared after 24 hours. Or you can simply go with the secret conversation and you will be able to send the end-to-end encrypted messages in your Facebook Messenger. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.